In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove front wiper blades on a Jeep Renegade located on the windshield. So I'm going to do the driver's side, and I'm going to pull the arm up so I can access it and lock that spring in. And see that tab right there? You're just going to push in on that tab and pull out, just like that. Now always take the arm and rest it gently back on the glass. You don't want it to snap, could crack that windshield. So now we're going to take that wiper blade and match up the connectors. It comes with choices, and I'm going with this one. So how we take that and put it on that is quite simple. See this little tab? What I'm going to do is push down on that as hard as you can, and then pull back. That's it. To install, line that up, and then push it forward and click. Now we'll take that arm, bring it up, slide this down in. You'll hear it lock in, just like that. Now before you rest it down, take off that protective white little plastic sleeve. It just keeps that blade during shipment from tearing. Now we can take it and slide it back down. Do the same to the passenger side. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.